Hello student, how are you? So today in this video I am going to explain the question answer that I already given. Okay, so this is your supercomputer part 1 chapter 1 question and answer. This is exercise corner. Okay student, so let us discuss about the question and answer. So first look at question number A. Take the correct answer. So here is a question and each question has two answers. So now we will select the correct answer. Okay, so question number 1, you look at question number 1. Rama can use a computer to do homework. So Rama want to do homework, so he will use a computer. So where he will use, at home or in the office? Oh, it will be, the correct answer will be at home. Rama will use computer at home. Okay student, so this is the correct answer, that at home. Question number 2, doctor use computer to carry out test. So where doctor use computer to carry test? In a hospital. See, the correct is in a hospital. Okay. Now question number 3, Mrs. Das uses a computer to teach students. So where Mrs. Das will teach the student? In a school. So where she will teach? In a school. So in this box we will take the correct mark. Now question number 4, we can use computer to do book ticket. So we can use computer to book ticket. So where we can use computer to book ticket? In a hospital or at airport? We can use computer to book ticket in a airport. So the correct answer will be the airport. Okay, so students, now let's come to question number B. Fill in the blank. Choose words from the box. So here is a box. From this box we will choose the correct word and we will fill in this blank. So look at the question number 1. We can draw. So here are 4. Inside this box there are 4 options: information, movies, pictures and games. So now question number 1, we can draw picture on a computer. So here is a blank. So in this blank what we will write? We will write picture. We can draw picture on a computer. Question number 2, we can watch. What will be here? Information, movie or games? Here will be movies. We can watch movie on a computer. Okay, we can watch movie on a computer. Now question number 3, we can look for what? We can look for, here is a blank, on a computer. We can look for information. Okay, information on a computer. Again question number 4, we can play games. We can play games on a computer. Okay student, so now we will look at, now we will see the question number C. Read each sentence given below. Circle the letter in a like column if the sentence is true. Circle the letter in dislike column if the sentence is false. So which one is correct? We will circle this sentence in a like column, and which one is incorrect or the wrong, we will circle in this dislike column. Okay student, now look at question number 1. We can do homework with the help of a computer. So it is correct. We can use computer to do a homework. That's why we will circle in this like column. So W we have circle here. Again question number 2, a computer can play football with you. No, it is wrong. That's why we will circle in the dislike column the E. Now question number 3, we can use a computer to play games. Yes, it is correct. That's why we will circle the question number, we will circle this letter L. Now question number 4, a computer can bake a cake. So here where we will circle? A computer cannot bake a cake. That's why it is incorrect. So we will circle this letter L. Now question number 5, we can draw with the help of a computer. Yes, correct. We can draw in a computer. That's why we will circle this letter D here. Now question number 6, a computer can wish you good morning. Can a computer wish? No, computer cannot wish. That's why we will circle in this O. That means in dislike column. It is incorrect. That's why we have circle in this dislike column O. Now question number 7. A computer can eat food like us. Can it eat? No, it cannot. That's why we will circle in this dislike column N. Now question number 8. We can use a computer to watch movies. Yes, we can use. That's why we will circle this E letter from like column. Now let us fill this letters what we have circled serially. Now see here we can see here, well done. So if we fill this all letters serially here, then what we can see here, well done. See, you can see here, well done. Okay, students. Now let's see question number D. This question number D question answer I have written here, and the same you will write at your copy. Now question number 1. Name any two places where a computer are used. So answer will be the two places where computer are used at home or in a school. So in these places we can use computers, or we can say computer. Now question number 2. Write any two uses of computer in school. So in school, in which activity we use computer. So we can learn different subject using a computer. Again, number B, to keep information about student also we can use computers. Okay, so these are the two activity that we use computer in a school. Now question number 3, write any one use of computer at airport. So at airport we use computer to book and cancel ticket. The same answer you will write at your copy. Okay. Now look at question number E. Color the balloon that show the things you can do on a computer. These balloons, what you will do, you will color here that what activity that we can do using a computer. In this activity you will color this balloon. So it is homework for you. You do it as your homework. Okay. So you will color this balloon that in which activity we can use computer. In this activity you will color this balloon. Okay. Now question number F. Here is a word chart, and what we have to do, we have to search the word that given in this box. So in this box there are words hospital, airport, school and home, bank. So these words we will search here, and what we will do, we will circle. So you can see here I have circle here. So in the same way you also do it. Now look at G. Help team A and team B to write the following activities in correct cloud. So what activity we can, in which activity we need a computer you will write, and in which activity we did not need a computer, here we will write in this column. So see here in this chart we will write in which activity we need a computer, like doing homework, do homework, or watch the movie. Where again in the other chart you will write in which activity we do not need computer. So in playing football and ride a bicycle, in this time we did not need a computer. So okay students, so in this video we will learn this much only. So if you have any confusion, please contact me, or you can ask me calling, or you can message me also. So you go through your this book also and write this all question answer at your book and copy, and whenever we will start checking these copies, you will send these copies to school, then I will check your this question and answer. Okay students, so till then take care and have a good day.